Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed about alcoholic earth metals, diagonal relationship of beryllium, and alcoholic earth metals of nitrates. Overall diagonal relationship, beryllium diagonal relationship with aluminium. So beryllium, aluminium, these two elements contain similar properties. Okay. Next, nitrates, alcoholic earth metals nitrates. Overall, alcoholic earth metals of carbonates reacts with HNO3, nitric acid, to form nitrates. So overall, when heated up these nitrates to form metal oxides and nitrogen dioxide, next oxygen. Okay, so today class, alcoholic earth metals of overall carbonates, sulfates. Listen, beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, they are all elements alcoholic earth metals. These metals to form sulfates. Okay, suppose for example beryllium, BeSO4, beryllium sulfate, and next MgSO4, magnesium sulfate, and CaSO4, calcium sulfate, next SrSO4, strontium sulfate, next BaSO4, barium sulfate. They are all alcoholic earth metals, sulfates. Overall, these metals, these sulfates, all white components, white solid components. So overall, beryllium sulfate and magnesium sulfate, these two components easily soluble in water. Okay, beryllium sulfate and magnesium sulfate, these two components easily soluble in water. But from calcium sulfate to strontium sulfate and barium sulfate, decrease the solubility. Okay, decrease the solubility. Overall, from when increase the atomic size from beryllium to barium, okay, when increase the atomic size from beryllium to barium, that time decrease the solubility of the sulfates. Okay, so from beryllium sulfate to barium sulfate, decrease the solubility in water molecules. Okay, so it is sulfates. Overall, alcoholic earth metals to form sulfates: beryllium sulfate, magnesium sulfate, calcium sulfate, strontium sulfate, barium sulfate. Overall, beryllium sulfate and magnesium sulfate easily soluble in water, but remaining components does not easily soluble in water, decrease the solubility nature. Okay, so it is sulfates. At the same time, carbonates. So beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, these components, these elements to form carbonates. So overall, BeCO3, beryllium carbonate, and MgCO3, magnesium carbonate, CaCO3, calcium carbonate, or SrCO3, strontium carbonate, and BaCO3, barium carbonate. They are all carbonates of alcoholic earth metals. Okay, so overall, these carbonates is as is very highly solubility nature, beryllium carbonate, very low solubility nature, barium carbonate. From beryllium carbonate to barium carbonate, decrease the solubility nature. Okay, decrease the solubility nature. Overall, when heated up these components easily to give their oxides and carbon dioxide. Suppose for example, we have taken calcium carbonate, CaCO3 calcium carbonate. When heated up calcium carbonate, it is converted to CaO and CO2, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, so suppose our magnesium carbonate, when heated up magnesium carbonate to form their magnesium oxide and carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is the carbonates of alcoholic earth metals. Alcoholic earth metals to form their carbonates like a beryllium carbonate, magnesium carbonate, calcium carbonate, strontium carbonate and barium carbonate. Overall, beryllium carbonate easily soluble in water, but barium carbonate does not easily soluble in water. Beryllium carbonate to barium carbonate decrease the solubility nature. When heated up these carbonates, it is converted to oxides, metal oxides and carbon dioxide. Okay, so it is sulfates, nitrates and carbonates. So overall, very important thing, what happened when heated up nitrates? When heated up nitrates. So already we know that when heated up nitrates, alcoholic earth metals of nitrates, it is converted to metal oxide, NO to nitrogen dioxide and oxygen gas. It is very important. Okay. So it is over. Remaining some topics like a cement, preparation of cement. Okay. So plaster of Paris, gypsum. So these topics is deleted by intermediate board. Okay, already we know that 30% syllabus deleted. Okay, so in this lesson, calcium compounds like a cement and plaster of Paris, these are all topics deleted by Telangana government or intermediate board. Okay, next further we are discussed about further group. Listen, so P black elements, 13th group, 13th group. Already we have discussed about S black elements. S black elements belongs to overall. S black elements contain two groups, that is first A and second A. Already we know that. Okay, alcoholic metals and alcoholic earth metals. Next 14th group also over. 14th group elements, which elements? Carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. Okay, these are all elements, 14th group elements. Already we know that about diamond, graphite and Buckminster Fullerene, allotropy of carbon. Okay, so next P black elements, 13th group. Already we know that periodic table contain total 18 groups. Overall, S black contain 2 groups and P black contain 6 groups and D black contain 10 groups. Okay, total 18 groups. Already we know that S black 2 groups, first and second. Okay, so first and second. So overall it is first A group, it is second A group. S black elements contain how many groups? 2 groups. 1, 2. group 1, group 2. Okay, group 1 elements is also called first A group, group 2 elements is also called second A group. Okay, next D block elements, it is starting from second group to 12th group. Second group to 12th group. Next 1, 2. Next overall 3 to 12. Okay, 1, 2. Next 3 to 12. Next further 6 groups 13 to 18. 13 to 18. Okay, so S block contain 2 groups, that is 1, 2. D blocks contain total 10 groups, that is from 13th third group to 12th group. Next P block contains 6 groups, that is 13th group to 18th group. Okay, so overall already we know that P block elements. So P block elements overall 6 groups. Okay, so 13th group, 14th group, 15th group, 16th group, 17th group and 18th group. P block elements contain how many groups? 6 groups. That is 13th group, 14th group, 15th group, 16th group, 17th group and 18th group. Overall, this 13th group is also called third A group elements. 14th group also called fourth A group elements. 15th group is also called fifth A group elements. 16th group is also called sixth A group elements and it is 7th A group elements. It is 8th group elements are 0 group. Okay, overall 6 groups belongs to P block. That P blocks contain from 13th group to 18th group. 13th, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 13th group elements is also called third A. 14th group, fourth A. 15th group, fifth A elements. 16th group, sixth A group elements. And 17th group, seventh A group elements. And 18th group, 8 or 0 group elements. Okay, so now we have discussed about 13th group. 13th group elements are third A group elements. Okay. Listen. So 13th group. Already we know that 13th group elements belongs to which block? P block. Okay. 13th group elements belongs to P block. These 13th group elements is also called third A group elements. Third A group elements. Which elements? 13th group elements. It is starting from boron. Boron. Boron, aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium. Okay, so which elements are third A group or 13th group elements? Boron. Okay, already we know that boron. Aluminium, Al, aluminium, already we know that. But Ga, gallium, In, indium, Tl, thallium. These 5 elements belongs to third A or 13th group elements. Okay, so overall in this group very highly available element aluminium. Okay, very highly available element. Which element? Aluminium. So aluminium is available main their combined state. Okay, aluminum is available from combined state. So number of ores. So which ores? Suppose for example, so overall aluminum. Already we know that aluminum is very important element. It is very highly available element. Okay, so this aluminum is available from number of ores or number of components like a cryolite. Cryolite. What is the formula of cryolite? Na3Al6. Na3Al6 is the cryolite. Okay. Next, it is available from Al2O3. Al2O3. It is called alumina. Alumina. So simply aluminium trioxide. Aluminium trioxide or alumina. Next, very important compound Al2O3H2O. Al2O3H2O. So aluminium trioxide hydrate, one hydrate or monohydrate. Mono means one. Okay, H2O hydrate. Okay, so Al2O3H2O. It is called corundum. Corundum. What is the formula of corundum? Al2O3H2O is the formula of corundum or aluminium compound. Next further compound Al2O3 2H2O. Al2O3 2H2O. It is a bauxite. Bauxite. It is very important compound. Commonly, aluminium is extracted by bauxite ore or bauxite compound. Okay, so very easy process. Very easy process. Aluminium is mainly extracted from which compound? Bauxite. What is the formula of bauxite? Al2O3 2H2O. Next further very important compound Al2O3 3H2O. Al2O3 3H2O. It is called gibbsite. Okay, Al2O3 3H2O is called gibbsite. Okay, so aluminium is mainly available from these very important components. It is also available different types of remaining number of components like a NAF, sodium fluoride, AlF3. AlF3 means aluminium trifluoride. Okay, AlF3 means aluminium trifluoride or AlCl3 aluminium chloride. Okay, or AlOH taken thrice. AlOH taken thrice aluminium hydroxide. So these are all components aluminium components. Okay, they are all components aluminium components. Okay, so it is aluminium ores are components. These are all components belongs to aluminium elements compounds. First compound cryolite Na3Al6. Second compound Al2O3 alumina. Third compound Al2O3H2O. corundum. Next Al2O3 2H2O, bauxite. Next Al2O3 3H2O, gibbsite. So AlF3 aluminium trifluoride or aluminium trichloride or aluminium hydroxide. So they are all aluminium compounds. Okay. Okay. So next further very important element of boron. Okay. So boron is also available from number of components. Okay, number of components. So which component? Suppose for example, boron, very important compound. So B2H6. B2H6. Okay, so B2H6 means diborane. Okay, B2H6. B2H6 means diborane. And next further very important compound H3BO3. H3BO3. So it is called orthoboric acid. Orthoboric acid. What is the formula? H3BO3. Next, another very important compound B2O3. B2O3. So boric anhydride. Boric anhydride. What is the formula? B2O3. Boric anhydride. Okay. So next further very important compound B3N3H6. B3N3H6. So means borosine. Borosine or borosol. Borosine or borosol. It is also called inorganic benzene. Okay, so B3N3H6, borosol or borosine. It is also called inorganic benzene. Okay, inorganic benzene. Okay, so next further Na2B4O7 10H2O. Na2B4O7 10H2O. So it is a borax. Borax. Borax is also called tincol. Tincol. Okay, so what is the formula of borax? Na2B4O7 10H2O. It is a borax or tincol. Okay, so they are all components, boron components. So very important compound diborane B2H6. Next orthoboric acid H3BO3. Next boric anhydride B2O3. Next borosine or borosol or inorganic benzene B3N3H6. Next borax Na2B4O7 10H2O. Borax or tincol. So they are all boron components. So number of boron components are there. Oral metaboric acid, tetraboric acid. Okay, so different number of boranes. Number of boranes. Okay, so they are all boron components. Next further Next further, so gallium is a very low available element. So gallium, indium, thallium. These elements mainly available their oxides. Okay, suppose for example In2O3, In2O3, indium trioxide or thallium trioxide. Okay, or mainly gallium chloride, indium chloride or thallium chloride. So these elements is available from their number of oxides, halides. Okay, so suppose for example thallium oxide, indium oxide or gallium oxide. So are indium chloride, thallium chloride or gallium chloride. So they are all different types of components. Mainly we are discuss about two elements, that is boron and aluminum elements. Okay, so overall in this group boron is a non-metal. Okay, boron is non-metal, but remaining all components is metals. Okay, aluminum, gallium, indium, thallium, they are all elements contain which nature? Metallic nature. Okay, but boron is non-metal. So overall boron, aluminum, boron is the non-metal and aluminum is the metal. But these two elements contain some properties is nearly equal. Okay, so further class we have discussed about electronic configuration and physical properties. Okay.